The world's top astrophysicists haven't slept in 36 hours. Emergency briefings are happening at NASA, ESA, and observatories from Chile to Hawaii. Every computer model designed to predict celestial motion has failed. This isn't a minor trajectory adjustment. We're talking about a massive object 10 kilometers across, traveling at 130,000 miles per hour, executing a sharp turn like a fighter jet, changing direction mid-flight. In space, there's no air resistance. Objects don't just alter their path without enormous forces acting upon them. ESA held an emergency 3 a.m. session, unable to explain acceleration readings showing forces equivalent to multiple Saturn V rockets firing simultaneously. Except there's no visible propulsion system, no exhaust plume, nothing that should move this ancient wanderer off its predicted path. What makes this terrifying is that 3I Atlas has been traveling through the galaxy for over 7 billion years. And now, as it approaches the critical phase of its solar system journey, it's demonstrating capabilities that suggest something far beyond natural phenomena is controlling its movement. On July 1, 2025, NASA's Atlas Sky Survey detected this cosmic anomaly racing toward the inner solar system. Moving 20 times faster than Earth orbits the Sun, international observatories confirmed its interstellar origin. Only the third such visitor in human history. But unlike anything scientists had tracked, the James Webb Space Telescope revealed chemical signatures that challenged everything astronomers knew about comet formation. This wasn't a typical dirty snowball. 3IAT was exhaling carbon dioxide at an 8-to-1 ratio compared to water vapor, like discovering a comet that breathes dry ice instead of steam. Computer models traced its origin towards Sagittarius, suggesting a 47 light-year interstellar journey. Most unsettling was its estimated age, over 7 billion years old, making it older than much of our galaxy's thick disk. This was a relic from the early universe, carrying chemical signatures from cosmic conditions that existed before our solar system formed. Initially, scientists were excited but not alarmed. Interstellar visitors follow predictable physics once they enter our gravitational influence. Teams calculated 3I Atlas would swing around the Sun, pass near Mars in early October, and continue into deep space, but subtle anomalies appeared in tracking data. Tiny variations veteran astronomers dismissed as instrument noise. In hindsight, those early deviations were the first signs that something was actively guiding this ancient visitor through space. This morning, telescopes worldwide are capturing data that's making veteran researchers question their sanity. Hubble, repositioned overnight to track 3IAT, is detecting electromagnetic anomalies that shouldn't exist around a natural object. Magnetic field measurements are off the charts. Literally, instruments designed for subtle comet magnetic signatures are registering fluctuations 400% above their maximum range. ESA's magnetometer data shows organized field lines as if the object generates its own controlled magnetic environment. Radio telescopes across 3 continents detect signals that make STI researchers nervous. These aren't random electromagnetic bursts. The signals show modulation patterns, timing sequences, and frequency relationships suggesting information transfer rather than natural cosmic noise. The Atacama Array detected structured transmissions 6 hours after the course change. Signals repeat every 4.7 hours with mathematical precision, containing sequences based on prime numbers and universal constants. Pattern recognition software identifies data compression techniques more sophisticated than human technology. Most disturbing are spectral readings revealing surface features that appear geometric rather than random weathered terrain expected from billions of years of cosmic radiation. Metallic signatures suggest alloys that shouldn't naturally form under known stellar conditions. NASA's Deep Space Network dedicates 3 massive dishes exclusively to 3I Atlas monitoring, capturing terabytes, confirming the same impossible conclusion. This ancient visitor demonstrates technologies exceeding human understanding by potentially thousands of years. The panic isn't just about encountering advanced technology. It's about why that technology is suddenly activating as 3I Atlas approaches the inner solar system. The trajectory change created a crisis with NASA mission planners working around the clock. 3I Atlas was originally scheduled to pass within 15 million kilometers of Mars on October 3, close enough for observations safe enough to avoid complications. Yesterday's course correction changed everything. Current projections show the object will pass within 2.7 million kilometers of Mars, closer than some of the planet's moons. This proximity will subject Mars and orbiting spacecraft to electromagnetic fields and potential debris mission controllers never planned for. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MAVEN, and ESA's Mars Express face potential risk. These billion-dollar spacecraft weren't designed for the intense electromagnetic environment 3 Atlas generates. Controllers frantically update orbital mechanics to determine if emergency maneuvers are needed. But proximity creates unprecedented opportunity. Mars-based instruments will achieve the closest look at an interstellar visitor any human technology has accomplished. High-resolution cameras should capture detailed surface images, potentially revealing geometric structures ground-based telescopes have glimpsed. Communication delays complicate everything. Commands to Mars take 14 minutes, meaning controllers see encounter data only after critical moments pass. International space agencies coordinate Mars assets for the first time, sharing data streams and protocols to maximize scientific return from humanity's potential closest encounter with advanced extraterrestrial technology. As electromagnetic readings climb and course corrections become pronounced, competing theories emerge worldwide, and none are comforting. NASA's mainstream position desperately clings to natural explanations, focusing on exotic outgassing phenomena. Teams propose 7-billion-year-old ice is frozen under conditions that don't exist in our solar system might sublimate, creating invisible but powerful thrust. Ancient surface chemistry activated by solar radiation could produce photochemical reactions generating observed accelerations. But explanations crumble under accumulating data. The precision of course corrections, structured electromagnetic emissions, and geometric surface features point toward artificial control systems making natural phenomena explanations increasingly desperate. International physics groups propose exotic possibilities. Perhaps 3I Atlas represents dark matter interactions human science has never observed. Its incredible age and interstellar journey could have accumulated exotic materials interacting with fundamental forces challenging our physics understanding. Controversial theories from researchers like AVI argue evidence clearly points toward artificial origin. Mathematical precision of course changes, structured electromagnetic signals, and apparent behavior adjustment based on solar system conditions suggest technology far beyond human capabilities. SETI researchers apply signal analysis techniques for alien communications, finding patterns matching theoretical models for compressed interstellar information transfer. Signals contain mathematical relationships and physical constants universal to any technological civilization. The most disturbing theory from classified government analysis suggests 3LAS isn't exploring our solar system. It's fleeing